DGC cases unit hin penta ingdeng plikebra hini cases samhang ke thek arni katalon Pokachan along Citizenship Amendment Bill 2016 ing thanang ji po alam pen Ola Sam Karmachari Parishad Pokachan Regional Committee atumpen kachesong sai kedeng Difu Sports Complex long T20 League Prize Money Cricket Challenge ang tungkiti pathupon tanglo Kardom Karbi Prime Time along penili Virabon Krupi non beer tang ton pen archoik tha Difu Golf College KSS unit ahin pen arkoi ni phai thom kep arni Karbi Cultural Society ingdeng plik kebra hini amhang kithek arni pachaton don si DGC KSS unit hin pen tapedap apor malom DGC pathwa klamalong kepang therasai claim ponse DGC Charlie au sumara tumpen chirap cheto dun pen amhang kithek arni aliralon pen katalon dun birta pherang ke pen katni sosa hemalong birta nang pali DGC KSS unit amai pujer song rong bi ben mai chari ponsi Alhiaman pen kachetong dun DGC KSS unit abidisar Mongol killing la pen klembang phatum chetong dun lawang so mai long bidisar Mongol killing pen lam ke jai pon ke DGC KSS unit sitame nikan chok silo kachepate dun long lasinon ke bang chi ingdeng plikera pho KYF DGC KSS unit pen kachepati dun japa chisik chedang ponang poputa jai pon lapen ke chengsi DGC KSS unit ahin pen patirpi pon si traditional food festame thang ni phai ECR ni TV pon japa kachesek pon alam pachini Lase DGC KSS unit claim bang phubang phetum pen sitame mesen pen ki pachun pon japa sai claim pon nang poputa DGC KSS unit amai pujer song rong pi pen pachini Karbi Anglong along Citizenship Amendment Bill 2016 ing thanang ji pu alampen kachesong sai padopon bomlang Ola Sam Karmachari Parishad Bokojan Regional Committee tumpen arkoi ni phai thom kep arni ke kroi kriang thek kachepaklang birta pherang ki ananterang Bokojan pen katni sa hemalong birta nang pali Central Government pen lasoning kan arkoi chiklu Citizenship Amendment Bill 2016 keding chiaphang Parliament session along Chiparai did apijong Asama district in along kroi kri ke khang kya sai kedeng theklong Citizenship Amendment Bill 2016 pabinang ji po alam pen arkoi thom kep arni Ola Sam Karmachari Parishad Bokojan Regional Committee tumpen Bokojan Roxby along ki khang kya sai kedeng mapen achutan achisa sai tapadopon Labang Soja Megalong Assam Jatyabadi Yuva Chatra Parishad Lapen All Assam Student Union at Chetong Dun.
Jolly boy! Jolly boy! Hongam Jolly boy!
Difu Chepong Kimi along Arkoni Pai Inkora Sirkep Arni Arigang Sam Aporpen Karbi Anglong to the Mas Council along Achokomar Sar Imtiso Ahemathiku Balong Hachakekan Abirta Perangkepen Karnis Asahem along Birta Nangpale. Difu Chepong Kimi Maker Karbi Anglong to the Mas Council along Achokomar Sar Imtiso Ahem Thikubalong Ningkan ke Thom Kichok Hachakekan Padopon Hachakekan Apijong Lengpum Sok Chon Pen Horlin Kidung Hai Huita Paklangpon Labang So Joy Megalong Ronga Maker Donarap Rongsar, Rupasar, Sarpisar, Photum Chetong Dun si Alir Alon Pen Pachun Pon. Namalam sa por pan beer tamo into paniksin.
Kardom, Nili Sathe Kamsa, West Karbi District Congress President. Non Kevanji Nikan Surinira Pressure cap Karbi Nikan Kili Aparman Kado Kawe Karbi Anglongara Lapen Karbi Akhepan Isi Hir Jumi Pilo Non Kevanji Nikan Kado Kawe Karbi Anglongrat Lapen Karbi Akhe Kemisen Tamat Haji Apang Kado Kawe Karbi Arat Panta Arnam Abiti Sore Papina Lapen Akhaino Kamatha Lapen Karbi Anglong Aphan Kepavir Derji Longri Longpat Kepajut Kokji Pukamatha Ajak Kong Aphan Pivir Lona Lapen Kado Kawe Aphan Ta Bidi Sore Kethekere Anjose Akime Kamatha Aphan Arnam Ajak Kong Papinan Kusili Kado Kawe Aphan Ta Hil Jume Lapen Okpranta Arnam Keparaja Pantini Lihir Jume Hankilo Kardom
First time at DIFU, First International Trade Fair 2019 from 18 January to 30 January at DIFU Club. A huge branded and collection of handicrafts from different states of India such as Delhi, Kashmir, Ludhiana, Haryana, Maharashtra, Uttar Pradesh, Kolkata, Punjab, etc. A beautiful melamine kitchen items of Bangladesh are available here. You will get all the needful and householding accessories including food items here. There is no any fee required for entry. Simonjir Children Park cum picnic spot. A place to visit for sure. The park is filled with eye-catching flowers, some medicinal plants and nursery. A perfect place for your children and family. For more queries, please contact 91014 33731 93652 07012. Simonjir Children Park, Chirikangnet, Ward number 4, Depot, Karbi Anglong.
Please tap in Rose Gold, a newly opened beauty parlor, one step to the world of fashion. All kind of facilities are available here such as hair spa, bleaching, makeup, pedicure and manicure, hair perming, straightening, body spa, facial, threading, waxing, etc. For more information, please contact 6001863460. Rose Gold, a newly opened beauty parlor, first floor, Cakes Legacy Building, Main Market, DIFU. Aturkimi Academy, DIFU, affiliated to CBSE, New Delhi. Admissions open for Montessori, LKG, UKG, class 1 to 9 for the session 2019 and 20. Facilities like boys and girls hostel, crash babysitter, art class on Saturday and Sunday. Registration forms are available at school office on all working days from first week of December 2018 from 8 a.m. to 1 p.m. Aturkimi Academy, DIFU, Rukasan, Amlapati, DIFU 782460. For more queries, please contact at the number given on screen. Free admissions for Montessori students sponsored by Aturkimi Society.
Ganj Assam Hill Small Industries Development Corporation pen Arniwang Hemalong akenang sa hormu ason salam pontanglo. Lasinang litum Arniwang kenang sot kecu ason la penthesri alang hithi gulat along longpon ikji. Kang tirtang kijun alang Tharwe alang Theso alang kecu ajam tu Tharmit aduk Thelua kreng Chitronola ukthor pen chenglok ongdung hemalong akenang sot hormu longpon ikji.
Dihena mo people third beer talong wangchulo. Cricket Golden Generation atum pen patir pi ponsi arkoi ni phai thom kebani Surihinira Crescer Cap aninkana baha DIFU Sports Complex 5th miles along T20 League Prize Money Cricket Challenge angdung kiti ke patu pona birta pherang ke pen kani su sahem along birta nang pale. T20 League Prize Money Cricket Challenge angdung kiti ke patu pona along alhi sarpo man pen Karbi Anglong Sports Association a kongchun bang Pankaj Teron chatongdun lapen ka chupha alhi man pen Kamsing Kro pen Chenglok pena ara bang phodum da chatongdun si RDP dun angdum kiti ke patu ponlong Cricket Golden Generation DIFU pen Bokojan Cricket Club atum angbong si patu ponlo angdum kiti ke patu ponlong Cricket Golden Generation DIFU atum si ke patu chepahai ponlo Dilai Sports Association pathok klawalang Borjan MSC constituency atumpen chipatir pi ponsi Surihinira Crescer Cup aning kana baha first Borjan MSC Cup football tournament ke paman pona birta non hejong pherangge pen birta nang pale Kedamtang Arkoini Pai Crepo Arni Pen ke patu pangcheng ponsi Arkoini Pai Inkora Sirkep Arnian ki semi-final patu ponlo Khotkuti FC atum 3-0 pen Dilai Morning Star Academy atum aphan paremsi angdung kiti along chipale dunlo Halapu Dilai FC pen Kuligaung FC ateran angbong ki patu pon along Dilai FC atum pen ball pumpoan Kuligaung FC atum aphan thaplo Apor ke chok hud anta kachitu thektedat ajong Dilai FC atum chepahai ponlo Labang so ke patu pon along Dilai FC pen Sardhon Teronsi man of the match anong e chepalonglo Angdung kiti ke patu ji lake Dilai FC pen Khotkuti FC angbong si patu pon popusi pirta ripton la Karbi Prime Time birta bangkila panskang tan paniklo domi thakme kurang thu